Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Chapin ProSeries backpack sprayer, model 64800. Oh, maybe a week or so ago, I did the unboxing of this, and it's pretty straightforward. You just got to put the handle on and a couple other things. Not too difficult. I'm not sure if I mentioned it. Oh yeah, I believe I did. About the straps. The straps seem really cheesy, and my old sprayer, they start hurting pretty quick. So I'm going to guess these will too, but time will tell. I can't really comment on anything else until I spray it, so I'm going to get going on that. The thing with this is it's a diaphragm pump. Here's the pump right down here. And you need a diaphragm pump if you're going to be spraying wettable powders. Wettable powders don't fully dissolve in water. They disperse, and it's kind of like a liquid abrasive. So if you're using a piston type, like I was using, eventually it'll destroy the pump and you'll have to get new seals and everything, which it did on my other one, which was a solo model. All right, so let's get this filled and start spraying and give it a review. First, I'm going to fill this, they say a third to a half with water, and then you add your, in this case, I'm going to add 7 and Captan. That way it doesn't stick to the bottom, and then you can shake it up really well and then add the rest of the water and then shake it again. So let me fill this with water, get the Captan and stuff in there, and get spraying. Okay, I'm about a third of the way full, and I put the Captan in the top there. Now I gotta wash that down in there. Alright, now to add the 7. Alright, I have both my ingredients in there. Let me get the cap down tight, shake it up, and then add some more water. Okay, the fill markings are on this side, and normally I would have this spun around. I had to come back here to look. This is 4 gallons right here, which is it's up to. But I don't know if you can see this or not. The original fill is right about here, and then you can see nearly clear water up to there. So you really have to shake this again. The wettable powder takes a lot to get it in suspension, so shake the heck out of it. All right, I'm going to get this shook up, and then we'll get down to the Vineyard and start spraying. Before I forget, make sure you put the thing on and get these straps adjusted before you fill it up and get ready to spray. I've already done that. I adjusted it to as long as the straps go, and the waist cinch down here, that is real easy to adjust. I adjusted it, but you can pull it nice and tight if you want to. The solo one did not have the waist part, and I think that'll probably make a big difference in the comfort, but time will tell. All right, let's get her shook up. Okay, first impressions. The handle, the wand, works really good. Shuts off completely and it locks just fine. I'm kind of used to the other sprayer that has been spraying really slow, and I never had a fan tip on the other one, but I'm going to have to adjust my speed. It sprays really nice and even, and I can go way faster. So this second row, I'm going to go a lot faster, and then on the next tank, I'm going to try to see how many rows I can get done. I was typically getting 1.5 to 2 rows done with the Chapin sprayer, but I believe I should get at least 2. It covers really nice. The fan setting, or the fan tip, gives you a really nice wide spray, and I can just go down the aisle and go up and down, and just a little bit over the top and then up and down again. So let me get on to that second row. I'm going to need at least 3 tanks because I have 5 rows here plus the ones on the end, and then I have vines up here and some apple trees. So let's get at it and spray row B. Okay, got her all washed up and got the filters clean. There are 3 filters in this. One, it's in where the hose attaches to the handle. I kind of wish it wasn't there because, well, maybe that's okay. During spraying, I had to clean the tip several times. I think I might get another tip so that I can just change it as I'm going. I had to take it off and rinse it out. And that's because I was spraying Captan, and Captan, it has a tendency to not dissolve all the way and create a clog. But anyways, that's not the fault of the sprayer. This flat pattern sprayer that it comes with is a very coarse flat pattern, but you really need that if you're going to be spraying fungicides. Fungicides are generally pretty thick, and Captan definitely is pretty thick. So that's all good. The tank seems to be a little cheaper than the Chapin one, but I don't think it makes any difference. It seems to be a little thinner. It flexes a little bit when you shake it up, but I don't think that's going to cause any problems. The straps, like I said, are pretty damn cheap, and they have a tendency to roll around the edge here like that one just did. Let me see if I can get this right. You gotta have it this way to wear it, and the Chapin one did that the first time I used it, and as I rolled it around, this strap broke, and somebody's shooting right over there. I'll wait for them to finish. But the Chapin one, the snap broke right here on the first use, and so far these are both good. Well, we'll see. I don't know why there we go. Alright, so I guess that's okay. Just like the Chapin one, the hose is too short. I don't know how long this is. Maybe it's 3 feet, but it should be at least a foot longer. I have to have my arm like cocked instead of, I can't reach full length with the hose that short. I guess it's good for a very small person, but not many very small people can have 4 pounds of water, or 4 gallons of water on their back and go spraying. So make that longer if you can. But other than that, everything worked out just great. Plenty of pressure, and it sprays so fast. I mean, I can go up and down them aisles really quick when everything is hedged the way the Vineyard is right now. I am going to order another tip because I can't run back to the water to rinse it out, but that is all it requires, is just a rinsing. So I think I'll just get another tip and carry it in my pocket, and then by the time I go back to fill the tank again, I can just wash both of them out and put one back in my pocket. And that is not Chapin's fault, that is the fault of Captan. So far so good. The cheesiest part on it is by far these straps, and I guess the hooks are working out okay so far, but the hooks appear to be the same ones as were on the Chapin one, or the Solo one. I probably got the names mixed up a couple times, but the Solo one is the one that I had to repair because I was spraying Captan in it. And you're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to do it in a piston one, only in a diaphragm one, like this is. So far, so good. I would much rather have a pull behind tank that I can put all of the stuff in and not have to keep coming back and mixing a new batch. But that's not the fault of the backpack sprayer. That's just the way it is. So far so good. I got this at Home Depot, and it was special order, and I think they got it in, it was either 2 or 3 days. They've been really stepping up to the plate in their delivery to store and delivery to home. I had a delivery to home that they did in 2 days as well, so that was pretty good. I'll put my Amazon link in the description to this model. I wish Home Depot had an associate. I'd probably use theirs instead. Had a lot of problems with Amazon lately. So if you want to see more real-world reviews, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you like the video and or share it, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.